Obadiah, my man.
Alpha
now.
Hello.
How did you now?
I just do.
Abi. How food be that?
No, na stone.
See, you remember that time when God told Moses during the time of the book of Elijah, he told Moses to look into the future so that he can see the nation. You know,
I remember.
Bible. You know, I don't forget. Okay. So, right. Guy, I forget something to tell you. When I dey come, as I dey come now, I see the guy wey carry your phone. Open am, you understand? Based on say you be my guy, but I can't forget.
Where the boy there?
He dey road there, he dey road. I tell you, the guy dey there. Dey there. Rush! No waste your time. Watching that funny Donkey's Record comedy. You can follow us on YouTube at Donkey's Record. I mean, I want to be your own name.
Go sit down.
Your own name is now.
Obadiah.
Name now, Obadiah. My name now JDMC official.
Obadiah Godwin. They put Obadiah Godwin.
Okay, Obadiah Godwin.
Godwin.
Idiot, your papa.
Come over here.
Follow me on Facebook at Jacobs Yeze.
Even me, I get Facebook Obadiah Godwin.
Who asked you?